We're ranking these mini tablets based on performance, display quality, battery life, and value for money. From Apple's reliable iPad to Lenovo's gaming beast, each one here has something unique to offer. Let's start with the classic that still sets the standard for smooth, portable performance. Starting off strong with the Apple iPad 10.2-inch, a timeless favorite that proves you don't need to go overboard for great performance. This iPad features Apple's A13 Bionic chip, a sharp Retina display, and smooth multitasking that's perfect for streaming, note-taking, or light gaming. With 10 hours of battery life and the reliability of iPad OS, it's still one of the best balanced tablets for students and professionals alike. The 32GB base storage might be limited, but for anyone who values performance and simplicity, the 10.2-inch iPad continues to be a top contender. But if you're into gaming and raw power, the next mini tablet completely changes the game. Next, meet the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3, a true gaming mini tablet built for performance enthusiasts. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12GB LPDDR5X RAM, this compact beast handles demanding games like a pro. The 8.8-inch 2.8K display with 144Hz refresh rate gives you fluid visuals, while the 256GB of storage ensures plenty of space for apps, games, and media. It's sleek, powerful, and perfect for gamers who want desktop-level speed in a portable form. If gaming on the go is your thing, this one's a winner. But if you want something simple, affordable, and great for entertainment, the next one nails it perfectly. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 is all about balance. You get a compact 8.7-inch display, octa-core 6nm processor, and 4GB RAM. Smooth enough for everyday use, browsing, streaming, and casual gaming. It even supports 4G LTE, so you can stay connected anywhere without Wi-Fi. With dual speakers, solid battery life, and a slim, durable design, the A9 delivers Samsung's signature quality at a surprisingly friendly price. Whether it's for students, travelers, or casual users, this one's a fantastic all-rounder for under-budget buyers. But wait till you see what Amazon's latest Fire HD 8 can do. It's portable, affordable, and surprisingly fast. Coming next, the Amazon Fire HD 8 continues to dominate the budget segment. It's lightweight, compact, and powered by a responsive processor that makes switching between apps fast and fluid. The 8-inch HD display looks vibrant, ideal for watching Prime Video, reading Kindle books, or listening to audiobooks on the go. With 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and access to Alexa voice control, it's a perfect entertainment tablet for travel or daily use. Battery life is excellent too, up to 13 hours per charge. If you want simplicity, solid build, and great value, this tablet hits the sweet spot. But our number one pick takes that compact power to another level, blending design, battery, and performance perfectly. And then, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE 8.7 inches, a stylish and capable mini tablet that nails performance for its price. It runs on an octa-core 2.0GHz processor, comes with 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, and a massive 6,650 mAh battery for all-day use. The HyperOS interface feels smooth, responsive, and highly optimized, while the 8-megapixel rear camera and Bluetooth 5.3 make it ideal for video calls, streaming, or light productivity. It's compact, premium feeling, and delivers a balanced mix of features, perfect for users who want power without breaking the bank. If you're after the best all-around mini tablet in 2025, the Redmi Pad SE is the one to beat. You'll find all these tablets linked in the description below. Check out the latest prices and see which one fits your lifestyle best. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Which mini tablet would you choose in 2025?